Hey there, it's Jake from Textla, and today we're going to be talking about how to connect your Textla account to Calendly through Zapier for sending out an SMS confirmation when somebody books a time with you through your Calendly invite. So the first thing we're going to want to do is click this Create button in Zapier in the top left, and then click on Zaps. So one thing you do want to make sure that is set up before connecting is just that on the calendar invite that you're looking to send these messages out for, if we scroll down to booking page options, be sure that there's a question requesting their phone number. This can be done by clicking add new question. You can just title it phone number. And for the answer type, just go ahead and select phone number. And that'll be sure that you're actually collecting that information when they book a time with you. So once that kind of calendar invite is all set up, we can click on this trigger button in Zapier and search Calendly. Sweet. And we'll just select it. So for the event, we're going to want to do invitee created. If you're looking to send out an SMS text when they cancel as well, you can follow all these steps in this video, do pretty much the same thing. It'll just be when they cancel it, not when they create it. But for the sake of this video, we'll do it when it's created, and we'll hit continue. And then just connect your Calendly account to Zapier if it's not already connected, and you can change it if you need to change that up. Next, we'll click continue. And for the trigger, just have this set to user. Don't really worry about what all this means, but just have it set to user. That'll be for your Calendly. And then it's going to test the trigger. We can click test. Awesome. And it'll populate all this info from a previous submission. If the Calendly is brand new and no one has submitted a time with you before, this section might error. So just go ahead and go to your Calendly and click share and just copy this link. I'll show you. And then paste it. And then just book a random time with yourself so that you can get one like data set in there that Zapier can work with. And then once that's been submitted, you can just refresh this page and there should be kind of an invite that's populated here with all this info. So we can click continue with the selected record. That'll pop up this page where we can search Textla. And we'll click on Textla. And the event is going to be send message. We can click continue. Next up is connecting your Textla account to Zapier. So if you haven't already done that, just go ahead and connect it. And if you need to change it, you can do that as well. Once it's all connected, we can hit continue. And the phone number is going to be what you're sending from. Be sure that your number is verified inside of Textla. If it's in like a pending state or if the submission got declined, it will not be showing up inside of Zapier. So if you need any help with the number verification stuff, feel free to just email us at support@textla.com and we're happy to help out. Next up is the to phone number. So this one can be a little bit confusing with Calendly because they have so many options for data. So you just want to find, it's going to be called questions and responses something answer. It's going to be something along those lines, and you just want to make sure that there's a phone number here. So you can go ahead and click into that. It's just going to use whatever phone number they submit when they create the kind of calendar invite with you. It's going to use that number that they submitted there. And then for the messages section, this can be very, very customizable. There's a ton of things you can do with this. Feel free to explore all the options for the autofill on your own time. There's way too many to go over, but I'll kind of give a breakdown of what I would do. So I would do something like, hey, invitee name. Thanks for scheduling a time with us. And then you can say, you can maybe call out the event type name if it's like a demo. So you can say, thank you for scheduling a time with us for, the event type name, whatever that is. And then you can add a reschedule thing too. If you would like to reschedule, feel free to click this link. Awesome. And then you can just search for reschedule, and it's going to be the reschedule URL. So if they go ahead and click that, it'll take them to reschedule the actual calendar invite that you can do. So you can make this message whatever you'd like. You can add any autofill information that you'd like. there's a lot. So feel free to just play around. If anyone has any questions for me about what specific kind of autofills are, feel free to just email us at support@textla.com. Happy to shine some light on what that's going to actually autofill for you. But there's a ton. There's a ton of data that you can autofill. So once that message is written up, we can go ahead and click continue, and we can test the step. Awesome. And we'll just go over to Textla, and you can see it's already been sent out. So, hey, Jake, thanks for scheduling a time with us for a 30-minute meeting. If you'd like to reschedule, feel free to click this link. So that's awesome. And then we can just publish it. Sweet. So now it's live. Anybody that now books a time with you on that Calendly link is going to receive a text confirmation right when they book the meeting to the phone number they provided. If anybody has any questions at all about any other Zapier integrations, I'm going to have the link to all of our kind of Zapier integration docs in the comment section. But feel free to just reach out to us at support@textla.com if you have any specific help that we can help out with. Have a great rest of your day.